Right. I think to hang out with you today again. We spoke about inspections the other time, and I think it's very important that we keep ourselves in the loop. Always getting much information on safety. All right. The topic we want to discuss today is personal protective equipment. In short, PPE. I've got a few things I'll put down here, so I just want to always go through my notes. Uh, Safety is a major issue for laborers and both unskilled and skilled laborers. Each year, accidents really happen. We lose lives and limbs, thousands of them. Um, uh, it happens. Some there's not much we can do, but much there's much that we can do, and that's the use of PPEs. Um, Failure to wear the provided PPE, it's a serious issue, and again, it's in certain construction sites and companies, it's a punishable offense. Okay, PPE is equipment that will protect workers against health or safety risk on the job. The purpose is to reduce employee exposure to hazards when engineering and administrative controls are not feasible or effective to reduce these risks to acceptable levels, right? So these hazard risks can be anything from wet floors to falling debris and everything in between. All right. PP includes clothing, safety footwear, safety harness, and sometimes respiratory protective equipment. All right. So I just want to name the things that are necessary for PPE so that the work that we do, we will always check what we are doing and have the requisite PPE, the personal protective equipment. All right. We were born full. If uh, uh, there's a situation where nothing can be done, then it's agreed. But if there's something that can be done, then please just put your PPE on. Let's get our PPEs. PPEs are free. Employers are supposed to give PPEs free. The only responsibility on our part as employees is to, what do I say, is to keep them neat, take good care of them, not misuse them. But otherwise, it's provided free of charge, right? Okay, so on the list that I have here, you have head protection, because some will call it it's a safety hard hat. We have eye and face protection. We have respiratory protection. We have hand and skin protection. We have hearing protection. And sometimes we have uh, teeth protection. Okay. Mostly find them in boxing and the UFC and all that, but sometimes certain places. And we have the bells, those who operate the machines and manual handling and all that. It's very important. There are other safety equipments, personal protective equipments that are used. But for now, we want to talk about just this, mention this. And the next segment, we will be expounding them. You know, their advantages, their disadvantages, or limitations. and how vital they are, all vital, how vital, and how we have to use them, and also take good care of them, But in a nutshell, they are stuff that we need regard to our work, with regard to safety. And like I said, it has to be supplied by employers free to employees. The only responsibility on the part of the employees is to take good care of them and make sure they're neat and clean and smells good as well. All right, and I can guarantee that we will have some significant level of safety, and we will find all the time in our environment. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll be back again next segment, exploring safety the more. These are basic stuff that we're trying to get across to all our colleagues and friends, both in the manufacturing, construction, and mining industry. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.